I did my undergraduate degree here at Swansea in physics. I'm a patent analyst for a company called Patent Seekers, and we're a global leading intellectual property firm. My degree gave me a lot of useful skills that I apply in my job, such as the core concept knowledge required to understand the sorts of inventions that I'm looking at and dealing with. It also gave me report writing skills, so I put together reports for my clients, and that was really handy. And it also gave me the skills that I need to analyse non-patent literature, so looking at research journals and technical papers. I definitely use my physics skills mostly when kind of analysing the inventions. Being face to face with emerging technologies and the latest innovation. One thing that Swansea did to prepare me for the world of work that was really useful was holding a careers fair and careers talks. During the talk that I went to, there was actually a patent attorney, which is what first made me aware of intellectual property as a potential career route for a scientist. So that was really influential for me in getting me into a career that I really enjoy.